Might have to make a new tool video. Alright, I want to know what you guys think. The other day I had the Toyota come in that was stuck in park. I filmed it. You guys may have watched the video. If you haven't, I won't ruin it and tell you what was wrong with it. But I fixed that vehicle and I sent it on its way, and literally on the way home the turn signal stopped working. And now if you watch the video, you know that I didn't touch any part of the turn signal circuit. But what would you think if you were driving your vehicle home from the mechanic and all of a sudden you brought it in for one thing, like in this case it was stuck in park, and then you're driving it home and immediately the turn signals don't work? What would you think? Would you blame the mechanic? Would you think, hey, I need to bring that vehicle back because my mechanic screwed me over or he broke my vehicle? I guess it might be easy to think that. So I want to know what you think. What would you think if you were driving your vehicle home and that stuff happened? Because this is what I had to deal with recently. That vehicle was brought back to me. I did film the new repair of the turn signals not working. I won't tell you what was wrong with that. I'll let you wait for the video. But I want to know what your thoughts are. What would you do in that situation? Would you be mad at the mechanic? Would you immediately think they were trying to screw you over? Or what would you think? And is this a comeback? If you're a mechanic, is that a comeback? Do you need to look at that for free? Give me your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. And as always, hey, thanks for watching the video.